We're at the shoot. We're ready to go. He's helping me. Hello guys, and welcome back to another exciting vlog. Thank you so much for still being here, watching my vlogs and supporting me. I love you so much. I feel like I've been on a vloggy grind. You know what I mean? Reminder to follow all my beautiful friends down in my description below, and let's get into this vlog. Good morning, world. We have a full day ahead of us. Gonna be so many fun things to do today, and I'm going to take you love bugs along with me. But first, coffee.
Yawn.
One eternity later.
Coffee. So my day is a little packed. I might be driving around like a mad person. I think we'll be okay. We're gonna go therapy, shoot, hair appointment, and somehow make it on time for every single thing. I might need like 3 more coffees.
Help?
This is the best candle to ever exist. It's from Target. It's the Crackling Woodwick. It's whiskey and oak.
Much later.
You might be wondering, Atelia, why do you have a giant? I just almost died. Why do you have this giant teddy bear with you? They need him for their shoot I'm going to. So I am taking Rupert because he is going to be the star of the show. Dang, dude, you're heavy. Look at that. He is ready to go. First stop, therapy. I have it at noon and I'm currently very late for it. Rupert, what do you think about therapy?
Yippee!
Okay.
$75 years later.
Okay, we are done with therapy. Did you miss me?
No.
Okay, we are gonna go to the shoot now. I'm not gonna be late. Hi.
Oh, so that bear is massive. What is the story?
It's just for a photo shoot.
Oh my gosh, I love it. That cool? Did you?
I did. Rupe, you're famous.
No,
Awesome. Thank you.
Oh
Thank you. The Starbucks next to my apartment is so cute. That one girl, I get her every time. She is so nice. Oh yeah, that's good.
12 seconds later.
I raced home really quick, changed, because I'm weird like that. Now I'm on my way to the photo shoot. I have a helper today.
Hello.
Hello. Would you like to take Rupert from me, please?
I would love to. Thank you so much for asking me. Come on, Roops. He's a big boy.
Yippee!
Wow, look at you, my chauffeur.
I guess so. Let's get it.
We're at the shoot. We're ready to go.
What's up, Adelia?
Hello.
Are you vlogging?
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes.
Vlogger.
Hello.
I'm shooting you today. You're gonna crush it.
Ooh la la.
Whoa, fresh. Oh my god. Oh, whoa. Light big enough for you?
Almost.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights.
Are you done?
I guess.
Okay.
I'm hungry. Can you feed me?
Yes. I thought you were gonna say that's a wrap.
Oh. That's a wrap.
Okay.
Goodbye. I just got ready to go to an event with my friend Ayla. We're going to a really cute lunch. I'm super excited. I did little dress pants, some loafers, and then this cute cropped sweater that has built-in dress shirt. So yes, this is the fit. Let's go.
Look who it is.
It's me. You're so little. I know, you have to like adjust everything.
Are we ready? We are always late.
Always.
No, I'm always late. I like feel like I make people late.
Okay, BRB guys.
BRB.
For watching this exciting vlog, for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I love you guys so much. And yo, you're in my vlog. You're messing up my outro, dude.
I'm sorry.
No.
You're in my house.
Well then, come on.
Okay.
Say bye, Cappy. On to the next vlog.
Subscribe.
Bye.
See ya.
Why do we look like a family channel? Please get out. Okay, on to the next vlog. Bye.
Subscribe.